So here is another problem where I'm asked to express 36 minutes as A, a fraction of an hour, and B, a percentage of an hour. So let's first do A. How do we express 36 minutes as a fraction of an hour? So remember, when we're talking about fractions, what we do is we take the part amount and we divide it by the whole amount. So I want to express 36 minutes as a fraction of an hour. Which is the whole amount and which is the part amount? The part amount is going to be my 36 and my whole amount is the hour. But you just have to ask yourself, what is the whole number or the whole amount that I'm comparing things to? That goes on the bottom. So we take the part amount, which is the 36, and we divide it by the whole amount. Now it says a fraction of an hour. I don't put 1 hour, do I? The reason why we don't put 36 over 1 hour is because look at the units. The ones on top are minutes and the units on the bottom are hours. We never mix units. You've got to change one or the other unit into the other. So in this case we're going to change hours to minutes. So let's get rid of what's on the bottom. How much is 1 hour in minutes? 1 hour in minutes is 60 minutes. Now I've got both units on the top and the bottom the same. So I can now continue to simplify this fraction. I'm looking for a number that goes in both the top and the bottom. Sometimes it's not so obvious straight away. So what you do is you go with what you can do that's easiest. So for me, well, look, I can put that in the calculator and find out what it is straight away. But the other way is I know that 12 times 3 is 36 and 12 times 5 is 60. So that means 12 goes into both the top and the bottom. So that means I can cancel 12 into 36 goes 3 times, 12 into 60 goes 5 times. And I can't simplify that anymore. So what fraction is 36 minutes of an hour? I can just say it is 3/5. That's all you need to write for part A. Now part B asks me and says, express 36 minutes as a percentage of an hour. So again, we just take the fraction and we multiply it by 100%. So remember, when you want to express it as a percentage, you take the fraction and you just simply multiply it by 100%. Now in this case I can take either the original fraction 36 on 60 and multiply it by 100%, or I can take the simplified fraction 3 over 5 and multiply it by 100%. It doesn't matter which fraction I use, both are the same because they are equivalent fractions. So let's say we decide to take the bigger fraction or the bigger numbers. So I've got 36 over 60 multiplied by 100%. I've got to now simplify this if I'm going to get a percentage. So now let's put 100 over 1. Let's start simplifying. I can cancel this 0 with this 0 here. 6 goes into 6 once. 6 into 36 goes 6 times. I've got 1s on the bottom. Now I can just multiply this through. 6 times 10 is going to be 60. And that is my answer. So, express 36 minutes as a percentage of an hour. 36 minutes is 60% of 1 hour. This is my answer for part B.